Are you tired of those sneaky subscription fees piling up, draining your bank account without you even noticing? You sign up for a free trial, forget about it, and suddenly you're paying for a service you haven't used in months. It happens to the best of us. But what if there was a way to take back control, to see all your subscriptions in one place, and cancel them with just a few taps? That's where Rocket Money comes in. This app is a game changer for anyone looking to get a handle on their finances. It's a personal finance tool that helps you track your spending, create budgets, and, most importantly, find and cancel unwanted subscriptions. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step. First, you'll want to open up your Rocket Money app. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard with a bunch of different financial insights. Look for the Recurring tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This is your command center for all things subscriptions. Tap on the Recurring tab, and Rocket Money will show you a list of all the subscriptions and recurring bills it's found across your linked accounts. It's an eye-opening moment, I promise. You'll probably see a few things you completely forgot about. Now, find the subscription you want to cancel. See the 3 dots next to it? Tap on those. A menu will pop up with a few options. You're looking for the Cancel Service option. Select Cancel Service. Rocket Money will then ask you to fill out a brief form with some necessary cancellation information. They'll ask why you want to cancel, which helps them communicate with the company on your behalf. Once you've filled that out, hit Submit. Rocket Money will take it from there. Their team will contact the service provider and work to get your subscription canceled. This hands-off approach is what makes Rocket Money so powerful. No more waiting on hold, no more frustrating customer service calls. Rocket Money handles the hassle for you. You'll be notified in the app and via email once the cancellation is complete. Now, a quick note, if you don't see the Cancel Service option, it means Rocket Money might not be able to cancel that specific service for you. But don't worry, they'll still provide you with easy-to-follow instructions on how to cancel it yourself, including a phone number or a website link. So either way, you're in control. It's that simple. In just a few minutes, you can take a major step towards saving money and taking back control of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.